Here we will write a program to find area and perimeter of a equilateral triangle. So in comment line we will write the formula for calculating area is square root of 3 divided by 4 into side square. And formula for calculating perimeter is 3 into side. Since we are going to use square root function, we will use import math library. So import math, then we will accept side of equilateral triangle from user. So side equal to, we will accept in float. So float input, enter side of equilateral triangle. Then we will calculate areas. Area equal to math dot square root 3 divided by 4 into side. And we will calculate perimeter as 3 into side. Then we will print area and perimeter. So print area of equilateral triangle as area and print perimeter of equilateral triangle as perimeter. Then we will execute this. I will enter side as 7. It will print area of equilateral triangle and perimeter of equilateral triangle. If we want to display up to 2 decimal point, we will use here %, 0.2f, and with area also we will use %. And we execute it. I will give 7. It will print area of equilateral triangle as 21.22 and perimeter as 21.0.